Summer, water and sun, my favorite combo, and not having to cook for the family. Today's choice, it's our pizza familia, chicken feta and pepper dew, yum as is. Take it away. But wait, we're going big today. Why one when you can have two? It's our pizza familia, bacon and spring onion, delicious. Thank you. So some of you might be at the pool, at the sea, or just with a hosepipe, keeping cool. So to accompany our summer pizza lunch, I'm making a spinach, onion, egg, and Parmesan salad in a delicious vinaigrette. Okay, for the vinaigrette you will need something that you can use to make the vinaigrette in, and a spoon. And the ingredients are 2/3 cups olive oil, a 1/4 cup white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons water, 1 teaspoon dry oregano, 1 teaspoon dry basil, 1 large garlic clove minced, tip of a teaspoon of salt, and tip of a teaspoon of black pepper. And mix all those ingredients, mix well, and that's it. It's that easy. Now the salad. About 200 to 250 grams of baby spinach and a handful of whatever other greens you may have in your fridge. I added some micro herbs. Now half a red onion, thinly cut. Now, you're gonna need 4 boiled eggs. Each egg gets cut into 4 wedges. Kids love boiled eggs. And this way, I'm tricking them into eating salad.
Josh, stop pulling Tondeka's hair. Ryan, stop throwing ice at your cousin.
Why am I always the one babysitting? Now, where was I? Now, Parmesan cheese or any other hard cheese in your fridge. Now, some shavings. I love Parmesan.
Ryan, I said leave the ice cubes. Josh, apologize to Tondeka. And where is your sister?
About 5 to 6 shavings. If you want more, go moggy. Now, let's put the pizzas in the oven.
Babe, can you put the pizzas in the oven, please?
Babe, I've already done it.
Now, you can place eggs anywhere you want to on the salad. I'll eat that one. Now, the Parmesan shavings in your hand and gently break the shavings and drop into the salad. How awesome does the salad look? Now the vinaigrette, give it a stir and drizzle over the leaves. Beautiful. If you have any leftover or you make extra, you can always store in a bottle in the fridge for at least a week. And now let's bring out the pizza and let's eat.
Okay, everyone, big and small, lunch is ready. Grab plates. And no greens, no pizza, kids. Do you hear me?
Where is Mom?
Julie, kids, out the pool. Bring a plate, kids. Pizza's getting cold. Where is Byron? Byron, where is Byron? Byron, where's your dad?
This is a full-time job.